How to change Planet Fitness location. Well, it's a pretty simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to any of the web browser and move into the site planetfitness.com. It will be landing you on the official page of Planet Fitness. Once you're on the official site, enter your login credential as in your email address and the password, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will be landing you on this page. Once you're in this page, now what you want to do is head over to edit profile over here. Once you're in this page, you'll be able to see your personal information, your contact information, and many more. In the section of contact information, the option of country and the city will be visible to you. Also, you will be able to see your address and postal code. In order to change this location, all you want to do is remove this location and then enter the new one. Enter the specific location that you want to. Once you have entered, scroll all the way down and then tap on Save Changes. Once you have clicked on Save Changes, the location will be successfully changed and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can change Planet Fitness location. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.